Okay, so we're gonna go clean the bog, or the pond with all my fancy dancy scuba outfit, my weights, and my breather. So we do this every year just to get all the gravel and crap that collects. I use a 3-inch pump, sucks up through into a French drain sock. So what I'm going to do front, so you can kind of see what it does. So here we go. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Pretty full, just that little bit. The whole sock, it's doubled up, but it's drummed tight. So I'll turn it off and clean it out and do it again. So I'm gonna take this sock off, see what we got. Go out here. Sorry, we're getting. Let's get the sock. See what we got. Look at that. Holy cow. Okay, so French drain sock. You can buy them on Lowe's, Home Depot, any other place. I use the 3-inch by 100 foot, and I pull about 3 to 4 arm lengths, so that's 24 feet. Then I double them up, and then on the end of this sock I tie it up. That's the end piece. So with the sump pump, this is the discharge. If you want to get in the water, you can do it. I've seen people where they use it. There's all the stuff we got, and that's just a little bit of the pond. We have 13,000 gallons, but that's the good stuff. Let's do it again.